In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete a Xero course. We'll walk through a clear, simple path so you can start confidently, make steady progress, and finish strong without getting lost along the way. Begin by heading to the Learning section on Xero Central. This is the hub where all the training lives. Once you're there, you can open a course you've already started or pick a new one. It helps to be signed in so your progress is saved automatically. Use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by topic, role, or skill level. Before you commit, open the course page and read the description, learning outcomes, and estimated duration. This quick check ensures the content matches your goals and fits the time you have. When you've found the right fit, open the course so you land on its main page. Next, click into your chosen course to see its layout. You'll usually find a Start or Resume button, a list of topics or modules, and often a progress indicator. Take a moment to get oriented. Glance over the module titles and the order they appear in. If the course includes videos, make sure your audio is working and turn on captions if you prefer reading along. It's also a good idea to bookmark this page so you can come back later with one click. From here, head straight into the topics and begin working through the material. Move carefully through each section, watching any videos, reading the guidance, and applying what you learn. Many courses include knowledge checks or quizzes as you go. Treat these as learning tools rather than hurdles. Read each question slowly, look for keywords, and eliminate answers that don't align with the content you just reviewed. If you miss one, revisit the relevant section and try again. Repetition cements understanding. If a transcript or downloadable resource is available, use it to follow along or review later. Your place is typically saved automatically so you can pause and resume at any time without losing progress. As you finish each activity or quiz, click Next to move forward through the rest of the course. If the next button is temporarily unavailable, it usually means there's an item on the page you still need to complete. Scroll back up and finish it, then continue. Keep an eye on the progress bar as a visual reminder of how far you've come. Continue clicking next until you reach the end of the final topic. You'll typically see a completion message, and some courses offer a certificate or badge you can access from the course page. That's it. Start at Xero Central Learning, open your course, work through the topics and questions, and keep clicking next until you're done. Stay consistent, take your time, and you'll complete your Xero course with confidence.